Jamaica celebrates 58 years as an independent nation, and 8 deserving contributors have been awarded. Cool 97 FM salutes another icon of entertainment and media.
This is David Rodigan from the BBC in London.
David Michael Rodigan was kingpin for over 40 years in the bass-heavy atmosphere of Britain's reggae dance halls. It's said that the key to his success was his perpetual passion for reggae. As a young schoolboy in the 1960s, he heard ska, was enchanted by the magical powers of reggae, and thereafter developed an obsession for the music of Jamaica.
I will never ever let you down. It's the music I love. I've grown with this music in the land of England. When Jamaicans came to England, they brought their music with them. I heard that music and fell in love with it in 1964 when I heard this song.
David Rodigan's earliest experience DJing was during lunch breaks once a week in the gym at the Gosford High School in Kitlington, Oxford. In 1971, he copped a place at the Rose Bruford College of Speech and Drama and spent 3 years studying acting. He appeared in various television productions including Doctor Who, Shackleton, and even also performed his own one-man show Zima Junction in the 1970s. He began his broadcasting career in 1978 on BBC Radio, then later moved to Capital Radio in 1979, where he remained for 11 years, broadcasting his iconic show, Roots Rockers.
I remember as a youth hanging out my bedroom window to see if anyone was listening to my Derek Morgan records. And that was in 66 and 67. I always wanted to turn people on to something that I thought was so special. And of course, in those days, it was completely new. This whole Jamaican music movement, this is what I say time and time again, but the music of Jamaica is revered around the world. I think Jamaicans who perhaps haven't been to Japan or America are not perhaps up to speed with the fact that this music has had a major impact on world music.
David's standing as a DJ rose when he began clashing with Jamaica's champion DJ at the time, Barry G, on JBC Radio 1.
This is the Radio 1 service of the JBC. We regret to announce the death of Mr. David Rodigan of Capital Radio in London from Barry G's dub plates.
After joining the British Forces Broadcasting Corporation in 1984, where he broadcasted weekly for 25 years, his show was reduced to shorter hours in a programming reshuffle. David took a bold stand and protested against the marginalization of reggae music before leaving the station in a dramatic media uproar in 2012. The BBC saw this and signed David only one day after the mayhem occurred. In 2006, Mr. Rodigan was inducted into the Sony Radio Academy Hall of Fame. He won the Sony Radio Academy Gold Award for Best Specialist Music Program in 2009 and a Silver Award in 2014. For 2014's Red Bull Culture Clash, Rodigan joined forces with Chase and Status, Shy FX, and MC Rage to form the sound system Rebel Sound. The team went on to win the clash, defeating fellow crews Stone Love, Boy Better Know, and ASAP Mob. David Rodigan plays his distinctive collection of customized dub plates and classic recordings across the globe for loyal reggae fans of all ages. As the years go by, he continues to relentlessly play, tour, gain accolades and awards. He celebrates his 42nd anniversary in the music business this year. David Michael Rodigan is a living legend, and his work in expanding the global popularity of Jamaican music is formidable. Thank you, David Michael Rodigan.
I want to extend my most sincere thanks and heartfelt gratitude to the people and the government of Jamaica for considering me worthy of this distinguished national honor, the Order of Distinction. As Burning Spear famously said, "It's a lucky thing I never get swell-headed." Although, as I'm sure you can imagine, I am extremely proud, as are my family and friends. There's an old saying, encouragement sweetens labor, but not in my wildest dreams could I ever have imagined that my work would be honoured with such an accolade as this. And I thank Cool 97 for allowing me this opportunity to extend my gratitude.
This feature was produced by Abigail Wilson and Norman Marsh.
Cool 97 FM salutes this year's recipients of national honors and awards. Thank you for your undeniable impact on the nation.